Where are we, Spunky?
Starbucks.
What are we doing at Starbucks?
Waiting to get a tattoo.
Waiting to get a tattoo. So, for Spunky's birthday, which granted is not coming up for a while, I got her.
Fill this space in.
Right. And what do
By
we get?
Stephanie, who did these.
That one and that one.
I'm getting the third skull.
So it was always the plan to get a third skull by Steph in that spot. And it's taken, lo these many years. But recently I called Steph and said, remember us? We got tattoos. Well, some of us got tattoos from you. And then set up a meeting. We went in today and had a chat with her. And she found an opening today at
4 o'clock.
Somebody's excited. So, happy early birthday.
Thank you.
And, yeah. Sometimes the early birthdays are the best kind. So,
Peace out.
hey there, interwebs. We're back for another motorcycle adventure. For us, we're either riding our dirt bikes on the back roads of the Cariboo region of British Columbia, camping at the local area rec sites, or we're doing longer distance adventure motorcycling on our Honda NX500s. Whichever we do, along the way we talk about the bikes, the equipment we use, and the experience, filming using GoPros and drones. We'd love to have you along for the ride, so jump on the back of the bikes. Let's go. How long have you been tattooing now, Steph?
2008. Well, when we met you at Adrenaline, you were fairly.
Yeah, that would have been like the first. Because I worked at Adrenaline for the first 3 years. Now I've evolved. the pen machine.
Oh.
So it's kind of like a rotary, and then they use like these cards. So it's one machine, and you can use it for everything. Like having, you probably remember, like I had like 5 tattoo machines set up.
Sure.
Like, and then with like the tubes that had to get like scrubbed and autoclaved. And all.
Right.
Now it's just one machine.
Wow.
I'll never go back. Sometimes I kind of miss my coil machines because there's like
Yep.
nostalgia about them. And like I did have to kind of like adjust like to the learning curve of like using these machines.
Yep.
But the convenience factor weighs up.
Wow.
We are living in the future.
We are. Well, that's cool. I'm gonna get one.
Okay, I'm just gonna use a washer and then I'll be all ready to go.
Okay. Sweet. That should fill in that gap nicely, shouldn't it?
Perfectly.
Are you happy?
I'm very happy.
Oh, yeah. It looks awesome. It's going to be great.
Spectacular.
It is going to be spectacular. Yeah.
It's been empty for so long.
It has been empty for so long, but no more. Just the pencil, the line work. How do you feel?
Awesome.
Yeah, that looks fantastic. Yeah, so good.
Look at the flowers.
Yeah. Yeah, that's amazing.
How's your arm doing?
Like I say, you could be chopping her arm off and she'd probably still be saying, yeah, no, it's perfect. Let's keep going.
Well, if you ever getting to a point where you're just like, oh my god, stop touching me, like, just let me know.
Yeah, no. I've got a whole lot of more.
Well, that's so good. The wing at the bottom is looking so fantastic. Wow. Yeah, I doubt it too.
But I spelled your name right. No for jerks. however far you can, and if you twist your arm just a little bit more, amazing. Perfect. Okay.
Perfect the way it is.
Yeah. What about that? I'm just going to sit for a second while I tear down because I'd love to grab some photos, and then I will bandage you up. Yeah, because if you, whenever
Yeah,
you
no,
want to add something there, then you don't have the background getting in the way of that.
Yeah.
Amazing. Yeah.
Yep.
Okay. Nice.
Very good.
My boss is gonna ask me what, because for the longest time I couldn't remember what these were called.
Oh, there's a tree, there's the tree.
Magnolia.
Yeah.
Yes. So she would always joke about, what are your flowers? The original is spectacular.
Yeah, and I'm glad.
And I love what you did this.
Yeah, I'm glad you're open to for 50 draws fit better
Yeah.
and stuff.
Now I can do this if people
Okay, let's
On the back too, right?
Yeah.
have a look. Okay. Whoop, 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 whoop. Not that fast. Just don't you move, I'll move.
And the wingtips are such a nice color.
That's all fantastic.
Like a little something Italian.
Stop moving your arm.
Yeah.
Well, no, I was hoping, if you're going to ride your motorcycle over, I get that,
I
but,
was thinking I could swing by after one of our managers.
well, you probably could, I
Yeah,
suppose.
whatever's the most convenient for you.
But we could drive by in the car too.
No, I want to ride my motorcycle.
Well, you can't unless you please.
Okay, yeah, I know I
Can't
can't.
until for a long time.
Chainsaw, yeah, I think so.
Yeah, you're still a long ways away from riding a motorbike.
Shut up! Shut up!
Don't remind her. And then I just got a little sleeve cover thing to go over this to kind of keep it all. Professional you know.
Absolutely.
I did go for a test the other day.
And I put one of those on, aren't you?
I was on.
Professional. And then I'm just gonna put a little bit of the real tape on the top.
Okay.
Well, that was so much fun.
That was fun.
That was cool to see, like, yeah, peaches, like,
Oh, yeah.
so cool.
Okay.
All right. Oh, we're pens covered, and I'll find one.
So, Spunky, where are we?
We're in a car.
We are in a car. What are we doing in it? What's that big blue thing?
It's covering the new tattoo.
It's covering the new tattoo. How do you feel about that?
I love it. It's
Yeah.
perfect. Stephanie did a fabulous job.
She did. She
Knocked
really
it
did.
out of the park, as usual.
As usual.
She is
So
spectacular.
now you have basically a Steffi sleeve
Yes.
and then a Corey hand.
Yes.
It's pretty good.
And Kirk.
And Kurt, right?
Oh, and
And
Kyle.
Kyle.
Kyle Corey. And a Steffi sleeve.
So good.
So excited.
Happy early birthday, baby.
Thank you. You rock.
I do rock. You're welcome. What else?
Peace out.
Peace out, baby.